Hello, my friends. I'm Lisa. Welcome to my miniature house. So cute.
It's mine.
Let's go to sleep, my children.
Excellent.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
I want to eat carrots. And you?
Today, I will make a rabbit house with a bedroom, kitchen, living room, and garden.
Whoa!
I hope you like it. First, make the kitchen. Make the kitchen cabinet. Combine the cardboard pieces. Flatten the clay with hard plastic. Cut the clay into a rectangle shape. Open the nail polish cap.
Oh, wow!
The kitchen cabinet is complete. Make the countertop. Make the hanging cabinet. Combine the cardboard pieces to make the cabinet. Ta-da! Make the gas stove from clay. Flatten the clay with hard plastic. Cut the clay into a rectangle shape. Shape the gas stove. So beautiful! Make the spice jars from clay. So cute! Make the scale from clay. So lovely! Make the toaster from clay. Flatten the clay with hard plastic. Cut the clay into a square shape. Woo-hoo-hoo! Make the refrigerator. Shape the refrigerator. According to the drawing.
Excellent!
Make the slippers from clay. Take a piece of clay. Cut off the excess clay. Woohoo! Wonderful! The kitchen is complete.
I'm so thirsty. Thank you, Lisa.
Next, make the bedroom. Make the bed legs. Draw the bed legs on the cardboard. Cut according to the drawing. Make the bed. Cover the cardboard with clay. Make the cushion. Apply glue and a cotton on top. Wrap fabric around the cotton in cardboard. Make the rabbit-shaped pillow from clay. So beautiful! Add the double bed. Make the carrot-shaped pillow from clay. Let's go to sleep, my children. I will sleep on the top bed.
Yes, Mom.
Staircase. Window. The bedroom is complete. Next, make the garden. Make the rectangular garden. Ta-da! I will plant lots of carrots. Plant watermelons.
It's mine. It's mine.
Stop now. Eat together. Make the staircase. Finally, make the living room. Make the table. Make the TV from clay. So cute! Make the speaker. Flatten the clay with hard plastic. Cut the clay. Woo-hoo-hoo! Make the sofa.
Great! Whoa!
Wonderful! The rabbit house is complete.
The bed is so beautiful. I like it. Do you like sleeping on the top bed? Is there anything to eat here, Lisa? I want to eat carrots. And you?